Announcing Thomas W. Schaller's Ultimate Watercolor Masterclass. Filmed over 4 days, this one-of-a-kind professional video captures every detail as Thomas W. Schaller reveals his watercolor secrets in front of a live audience of aspiring artists. With this course, it's like you're there with everyone learning directly from this master artist. You'll learn Thomas's philosophy of creating paintings that convey emotion, his core principles that he applies to landscapes, architecture, figure, and perspective. You'll also get Thomas's view of what to leave in and what to take out as he creates the perfect compositions every time. Finally, you'll learn at your own pace as you go through this in-depth course on watercolor from this true master artist. And it's better than being there because you can rewind your favorite sections and have him do it again. Backed by a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee, now is the time to get Thomas W. Schaller's Ultimate Watercolor Masterclass.